This video is going to show you how to design a product flyer in less than 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do is go to the preferred picture you want to use and download Canva application. You're going to see it on the screen now. Canva application, download it. Now what you want to do is you want to click on share and take it to Canva. Now this is going to use AI to detect the kind of picture you have and give you options of the picture, of the graphic you can create with it without touching front, right, and back, blah 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 blah. You see this? You want to click on add to a template. Don't click on add any design. So that's what AI is going to do for you. Add to a template. Now it's going to select a graphic for you to design. So let's cancel this up and wait for it to bring this out. Try magic design, inspiring template, blah blah blah. So let's see what it's going to give us. This technology is new and improving. Please report these templates if they don't seem right. Now we have several ones here. This is the first one, how to do Halloween in style, 28 voucher, $200 voucher. And so I want to pick what works perfectly, right? I mean, this is good. This is good. You see how beautiful it is? This is good, but it's a pro version. Now let's move to the next one. Briefly elaborate on what you want to discuss. Write an attention grabbing headline here. You see? Now this is another one, and this is actually pro. So you want to pick what actually works for you, and this is where you create your design. Now let me look for a perfect design that's going to go for this and that is not pro. So what you want to do is let's click on this. This is free. Then we can design whatever we want to design. Then click on this, customize this template. You click on customize this template and it's going to bring the design out for you. So how many minutes have I spent? I spent 2 minutes 23 seconds. So you can imagine that you are not explaining things. You can see how easy it's going to be for you to design. Now I can click on this and click on edit and say whatever I want to say. For example, if I want to write available in black and brown, customize your name or preferred word. Then I can also write comes with complimentary beads. Now I can separate this and reduce the size. So I'll come here, write an attention grabbing headline here. You say something like the gift that lasts forever, right? So let's go here and click on this again, and my screen is kind of acting up. So basically that's what you do, and so the text is not moving kind of. So I'm going to bring it down here, and that's it. If you want to add your phone number, you add your phone number, you add whatever you want to add. And that's how you create a graphic for yourself. You can click on the export by the top right corner, and that's in 5 minutes.